UMANG, Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance, is one of the key initiatives under the Digital India program to develop a common, unified platform and mobile app to facilitate a single point of access to all government services. It is envisaged to act as a master application, which will integrate major government services from various sectors such as agriculture, education, health, housing among others. The application will enable users to access e-government services from the central government, the state governments, local bodies, and their agencies. UMANG is conceptualized to bring governance on the fingertips of individuals through mobile-first strategy. Now, search eCourts to check eCourt services provided by district courts. Visit court complex to register your mobile number in your case for getting SMS facility by district court. Now go through to check the desired detail.